As Jamaicans search for wholesome, family-oriented activities this Christmas, Emancipation Park is inviting the public to this year's staging of Christmas at E-Park on Sunday, December 14. Activities get underway at 2 p.m. with a vendor's village and a kiddies village, and will culminate later in the afternoon with a massive concert. Manager of Emancipation Park, Clivia Green, highlights some of the day's activities.
The activities will be quite wholesome. It will have a whole day of activities, well, starting at 2 p.m. to 9:30. And there will be something for every member of the family. Bring the children, bring grandma, bring everybody. The activities will involve a vendor's village, and we'll be selling food, gift items, jewelry, you name it. We'll also have a kiddies village.
In addition to the fun and entertainment, in fulfillment of its role as a corporate citizen, Emancipation Park is inviting the public to bring in-kind donations to support Jamaicans impacted by Hurricane Melissa.
Aid with hurricane relief. We're asking the public, everyone who is coming, bring something for persons who have suffered in Hurricane Melissa. Bring a toy for a child, bring a non-perishable item, tinned food, anything you can. We'll be collecting to be able to assist with the hurricane victims.